Damn right. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you're having a pretty good Sunday. That's what today is, Sunday the 7th of May. So we got some stuff to do. We got some loud music playing, and we got some stuff to do at the shop. So let's get out into the shop, let's hang out with some friends, and let's knock some stuff out. I gotta stop though. I just got out of church. I'm freaking starving, so I'm gonna stop for some lunch on the way to the shop. I just don't know what I want, but whatever. Oh yeah, I got a new tattoo. Got an owl. Because it was free. Because I do cool things and it attracts cool people sometimes. Trying to stay away from the fast food, so I went and got some Firehouse subs. But now we're going to the shop. We're actually right around the corner from the shop. So let's get over there. Yeah, buddy. So nobody's here yet. I'm waiting on two cars. So we got Niles coming down, which is the car that I've serviced a handful of times already. It's a yellow AP1 S2000. And then we have an R33 GTST coming down. So I'm just changing the blow-off valve on that, which means changing the flange. But I've never worked on an R33 yet, so I'm pretty stoked for that, even just having it here. Because like just this, just lately I've had, A90 Supra, handful of CTRs, Cressida, Toyota Aristo, some other JDM stuff. Like I don't know, I'm stoked. We're getting some cool stuff coming in. But yeah, I'm gonna eat really quick, wait for these guys to show up, and we'll get cracking on whatever. I don't even know what we're doing to the S2000, honestly. I think we're putting some new Project Moo pads on it, and then something else. But we'll find out when he gets here. Oh, this boy is shorter than me. That's hard to believe. Get this puppy in here. So we're doing pads and diff mounts. Gosh, this clutch is stiff. This car's so less shaky on startup. Probably because I got the Hasport mounts. He's got the driving gloves. That's funny. Okay. You guys are falling. Oh, you're falling. Oh boy. Dude, his S feels so different from mine. It's just so funny is these are all the same car, but they're all so different at the same time. Like his clutch grab's so much higher than mine too. Oh, the other thing is I can never pull these things in with the top up. Just gotta be able to see. Bright yellow banana. See, I like working on this one because this S actually fits on my rack without having to be lifted with a jack or nothing. All right, we're good. Well, he ran to grab some lunch really quick. He's gonna come back because he's gonna hang out while we do it and lend a hand. I'm assuming that's the only box, so I'm gonna just wait till he gets back, I suppose. But yeah, we're doing new Project Moo pads. He's got them on the front already, but he's doing a more track, compound instead of the street compound he has on it right now. And then we're doing the differential mounts, the front and the rear, and I believe differential mount collars. So I'll wait for him to get back so we can open up the box. We'll do a little unboxing because I don't know what brands he got. I think he went with the evasive stuff, but we'll find out for sure.
Oh, that's right here, dude.
Oh, are these the spoon?
Mugen.
See, yeah.
They're the same thing.
This freaking guy.
Same thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then these kind of act like subframe collars to an extent.
Yeah. I don't know. I saw them on a evasive car and looked nice, and I was like, huh, I should get some. I just only bought them because they look nice. That's literally the reason why. I wasn't planning for these, but these look too good.
Oh, and that's your sway bar, right? Your AP2 sway bar?
I haven't checked it yet, so I got it like a couple weeks ago. What was it, a month ago?
Supposed to be an AP2 sway bar?
I hope it's an AP2 sway bar. That's what they advertise. So I hope it is. If it's not, then that's $70 gone. So yeah, I hope this is the right size one.
Well, just go measure it to Efren's.
It's mostly diameter. So if those fit on here, then we got the right one. If it doesn't fit on here, it's not the right one.
Did you get new end links? You just running those ones?
I have new end links already installed.
Oh, this
So I refreshed the end links, but I just have so much on throttle oversteer. So hopefully this will help me tame it.
Yeah, no, Efren was saying I need to drive your car, and I was like, is it really that bad? Like, in comparison to ours?
Almost every corner I amp, I'm sideways. Almost every single corner I amp, I'm sideways.
Yeah, so that's wild to
Like
me.
I have to wait till my car straightens out, and then I can actually go. If it's not straight, I'm sideways.
Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, I'm so used to mine just feeling so planted. Like, mine barely... I mean, the little bit I've driven it since I put these all seasons on, I feel it started to slip a little bit more, like entering the freeway in a higher speed. But other than that, like... Yeah, mine's just planted, so hearing how yours is just so loose...
Yeah, mine
is like hard to conceive.
So I know these ones are like 2000 to 2001. They have a stiffer rear bar, so it's already promoted to oversteer.
Oh.
And I have a square tire setup, which is also promoted to oversteer. So
yeah, I guess I just got super lucky with the 03 model with the bigger front sway bar already, and then
yeah. Oh, yeah, yours came with the bigger sway bar, right?
yeah, mine has the white line, but the rear I think is stock. If not, maybe even AP2. I don't know. I'd have to measure it compared to yours, actually.
Yeah, so this would be this is like 25.4 liter, and I think the bushing that's on this sway bar now is like a 28.7.
Oh, yeah, I'd have to
So
measure mine.
it's a significantly bigger sway bar, like thicker sway bar.
Yeah. Kind of want to do my diff mounts, but mine are still in good shape. I was just looking at them the other day, but sooner than later, I guess. I want to try those out. Like, even if it's a bling factor, those do look really sick.
these
Like,
should do something. I know it's gonna stiffen it up even more, but I just only got it because it just looked cool.
it does. Like, I mean, you won't be able to see it really from under the car because the trunk pan sits so far down, but still.
Yeah, I saw an evasive car with their like BSK,
Yeah.
and I was like, yo, that looks nice.
Yeah,
So,
you can barely see the BSK on my car.
Yeah.
But
Mine's blue, so I have lots of colors down there.
guy
I'm
just-
gonna give the other brake pads to my nephew.
I think I need to freaking quit fab and do IT stuff. These kids be spending so much money just out of the blue. Like, sheesh. You know we can go higher. I put it chest high so we can get the wheels off.
Yeah, I'm just like looking at it. I'm like, fuck. I think I might have to actually take off the exhaust. There's a bolt right here. I can't even reach.
Oh, from up top.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can just drop this really quick, drop the exhaust.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's do that really quick.
Only take a minute.
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna go up higher with this thing then.
It still came off.
Good enough. Another one.
Oh, man. There we go. Alright. Man, they say this thing's like 20 pounds, but it weighs a little. It's pretty heavy.
I must have lied to you.
Fuck. 19s.
Oh yeah, they are cracked. Huh.
I told you that when you let me drive it, I instantly broke it.
Yeah.
Because my G has been diff pushing for a year.
14.
14s? Cool. Did you get new ones of these, or did you not ball out that hard?
I don't remember what I ordered. Let's see.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, and I got the washers too. But that's not the washer?
Bougie.
Yeah, it's the washer.
Alright, so we don't even need these. I'll just throw these in my parts bin for something else later.
I got it right here. Oh, nice.
Are they different in height?
I heard that they might be different.
I mean, we could measure with a tape measure.
Okay. This one right here to here. Right here to here? I don't know where to go. Almost. Well, that's a good thing. Oh, dang, these are top too, dude.
Are they?
Look it.
Oh, yeah.
They're all cracked.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Wonder how this is gonna feel after we replace them.
You can pull down on it a little bit. Okay. There we go.
There we go. Oh, here we go. This is the only one that didn't mess up.
Diff collars, diff mounts, put in, looking all pretty and shiny. The front mounts, pretty and shiny. So basically what these things do, the red pieces, it like essentially is a budget way of doing a solid mount, but with a little less, you know, NVH, I'm assuming, since it kind of cups and squishes in. But yeah, it was super easy. We're all done there. Slapped the sway bar on really quick. Put the end links back on. He's got these nice ones here, so yeah, we're almost done with the rear end already. It's only been like, shoot, I don't even know what time it is. It's been 45 minutes. Not bad. 45-minute rear diff bushing setup swap.
Hello.
Cool, what like me?
Here you go, bro.
Appreciate it.
I'll put it up here. And, I'm gonna grab those brackets. Your bag's in here?
Yeah, no, one more down. Skyline time. Got the pipe off. This is old blue OF valve. Just wanted to change the sound and have different, you know, tips, because on the super sequential you can change the tips. So they do use different flanges though. You can see this one is, you know, V-band style. This one is like a snap ring style. So honestly, wow, that's really small. Like, that's not how that's supposed to look. But I'm gonna try and trim this off flush, and then I'll probably trim the bevel off of that guy, and then I'm gonna try and weld it on there. Just having an issue where the flange, it's very hot, but the flange here was not wanting to sit on the flange here because it's supposed to be, you know, pushed around a tube like that to, you know, conform to it. And shaving it, it was too small of a gap, because the way welding aluminum works, the arc jumps like this. So it wouldn't have given me really a decent weld in the slightest. So what I did is I just made an extension, and now we can plop that on just like that. That should work just fine. Alright, that worked out pretty darn well. That is really hot though still. I just finished welding that. But yeah, so this one's, you know, good to be retired. Once this thing cools down, I already test fit. It does clear, so then we got to use this O-ring and somewhere over here. There's a snap ring. I think it fell on the floor, but yeah, snap ring, and they're, I don't know, pain in the butt, but it'll sound really, really cool. I love the super sequential. It's the one that I always run on all my, you know, my Del Sol, my Miata. Freaking good one. Makes me miss my Miata. Alright, now we gotta go bed the pads. The R33 just took off. That blow-off valve just sounds too good. I love the HKS and I love straight sixes. Man, I just need one in my life. But we're gonna go bed the pads really quick and see if this made a difference in the rear end of this thing.
That down here?
You can just go all the way to the end. It makes one big old square.
Alright. Bring up to like 60.
Initial cold bite pretty decent.
Yeah, way good.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Some biters.
Yeah. See how flat the rear end feels? It's a lot more planted.
Yeah.
That understeered's so hard.
Yeah, cool tires though.
That is true, but I'm used to the car kind of want to over-rotate. Turns coming. It's a little bit more predictable. Yeah, it's a lot more predictable, dude.
That's good then.
Yeah. Because right there, I had to use, with the AP1 bar, I had to use more angle for counter
correct
steer.
it?
Yeah, this one's not that much angle.
Alright, so just got back home. Niles' car, the yellow S2000, all good. He's pretty stoked on how the rear end feels. Because before, his car was like slipping out really bad everywhere. It was way too stiff. Yeah, whatever. But, and then the R33, I just, sick. Love how that thing sounds. But, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to wrap it up here, though, because I'm tired. I got some stuff done for the day, and, you know, I feel relatively accomplished. Still on the hunt for a new shop, though, so, you know, hopefully that, you know, comes to fruition here pretty soon. So, in the meantime, just trying to make the best of my current situation. But if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hopefully by now you've considered subscribing. If you want to support the channel, you know, I've got a P.O. box. You can send me stuff. I've got a link to the Big Cartel, all those affiliate links. You click on those, get something. You know, it kicks me back a few bucks. You guys do what you love, figure out the rest. Thanks for spending some time out of your day here with me. I'm going to, you know, enjoy the rest of my protein shake. Probably try and hit the gym here in, you know, a little bit. And, get some rest. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.